Iran has unveiled a new tank that has caught the attention of military analysts worldwide. This new tank is called the Karrar, which translates to striker in English. The Karrar is classified as a main battle tank, a category of tanks that are designed to engage in direct combat with other tanks on the battlefield. This means it is equipped with advanced weaponry and armor to effectively fight and neutralize enemy tanks. In addition to tank-on-tank combat, the Karrar is also designed to support infantry units during combat operations, providing crucial firepower and protection. The Karrar was first shown to the public in 2017 during a grand unveiling ceremony that showcased its capabilities. It is important to remember that much of what we know about the Karrar comes from Iranian sources, which means the information might be biased or incomplete. Independent verification of the Karrar's capabilities is challenging, making it difficult to fully assess its performance in real-world scenarios. Nevertheless, the development of the Karrar is a clear indication of Iran's growing military-industrial capabilities and ambitions. It demonstrates Iran's commitment to building modern, sophisticated weapon systems that can compete on the global stage. By developing the Karrar, Iran aims to reduce its dependency on foreign military imports and achieve greater self-sufficiency in defense. With its advanced features and capabilities, the Karrar is poised to become the most powerful and formidable tank in Iran's military arsenal, enhancing its combat effectiveness and strategic reach. The Karrar looks similar to other modern tanks, showcasing a sleek and formidable design that is both functional and intimidating on the battlefield. It has a low profile, which makes it harder to detect and target, and a powerful gun that can engage a variety of threats with precision. The Karrar is armed with a 125mm smoothbore gun, a standard in modern tank warfare, ensuring it can compete with the best. This is the same size gun as many Russian tanks, which are known for their robust and reliable armament. It can fire a variety of ammunition, making it versatile in different combat scenarios. This includes armor-piercing rounds, which can penetrate heavy armor, and high-explosive rounds, effective against softer targets and fortifications. The Karrar is also equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun, providing additional firepower. This machine gun is particularly useful for engaging infantry and light vehicles, offering a flexible response to various threats. A 7.62mm coaxial machine gun is mounted next to the main gun, adding another layer of defense and offensive capability. Iran claims the Karrar has advanced fire control systems, which are crucial for modern combat effectiveness. These likely include a laser rangefinder, which helps in accurately measuring distances to targets, and thermal sights, allowing the tank to operate effectively in low visibility conditions, such as night or smoke-covered battlefields. The Karrar is often compared to the Russian T-72 tank, a staple in many military forces around the world. This comparison is not without reason. The T-72 is a common tank in many armies, known for its reliability and widespread use. It has been a workhorse in numerous conflicts. Both tanks share some visual similarities, such as their overall shape and design. This can make them appear quite similar at first glance. The Karrar's hull, in particular, seems to be based on the T-72. This design choice likely aims to leverage the proven effectiveness of the T-72 structure. Both tanks have a 125mm main gun, which is a standard caliber for modern main battle tanks, providing significant firepower. However, the Karrar likely has some advantages over the older T-72. These improvements could make it more effective in modern combat scenarios. It likely has better armor protection, incorporating advanced materials and design techniques to withstand contemporary threats. It may have a more powerful engine, offering better mobility and speed on the battlefield, which is crucial for modern warfare. It is important to note that the exact capabilities of the Karrar are still unknown. Further analysis and field tests will reveal more about its true potential and performance. Section 4. The Karrar's place on the modern battlefield. The Karrar is designed for modern warfare. It would be used in a variety of roles on the battlefield. The Karrar could lead attacks against enemy positions. It could provide fire support for infantry. It could also defend against enemy counterattacks. The Karrar would likely be used alongside other Iranian armored vehicles. These include infantry fighting vehicles and armored personnel carriers. Section 5. Conclusion. The Karrar's impact. The Karrar is a significant development. It shows Iran's progress in military technology. The tank's true capabilities are still being debated. However, the Karrar is a capable main battle tank. It will likely play an important role in Iran's military strategy. The Karrar also has symbolic importance. It is a symbol of Iran's national pride and military strength. The Karrar has generated a lot of interest from military analysts around the world.